Talk regular language to me, Jerome. Yeah.
Are you part German?
No.
I'm part German. I'm German, French, Dutch, Irish, Mexican, black, white,
Yeah.
Indian.
Yeah, all that stuff involved, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, real good. Real good. Wasn't it somebody to blame too? Wasn't it like a couple people with like a Vietnamese pig to blame? I thought there was.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought there was like a couple with some like kids or grandkids and an animal in the house. I thought they were to blame or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's hysterical. Yeah.
Yeah. I think we're having chicken noodles, I think.
Yeah, I just seen we all had chicken. Yeah, those are
Yes.
mine. No, they're not. No. Well, actually, it might be.
No.
Let's see.
Nope, they're not mine. No. I'm getting a moped. Getting a moped scooter.
Moped scooter. You need tires on that because as I'm looking at the tractor the other day and it looks real good, I'm knowing it's not working properly. I'm trying to convince everybody south of here about